had seen the posting of various transactions. So today we are going to do the new problem. So you look the question, journalize the following transaction and also post in the ledger. First one, started business with the cash, Miss Beauty. Started business with the cash. Aditya, what is the jewelry? Started business with the cash. She have connection problem. Which one? Aditya?
Cash account.
Correct. Cash account to capital. Next, bought office furniture. Bought office furniture. Bought office furniture. Femina. Office furniture. Means furniture purchased.
Furniture account.
Correct. Furniture account to cash account. Next, paid into bank to open a current account. So to open any account, we have to deposit some amount. So cash deposit into bank. Anila, cash deposited into bank.
Bank account debted to cash account.
Correct. Bank account to cash account. Next, purchased computer and paid by check. Purchased computer and paid by check. Tomlin, purchased computer and paid by check. Correct. Purchased computer. Entry will be
computer.
Correct. Computer account to
Bank account.
correct. Computer account to bank account. Next, bought goods on credit from Ridiga. Bought goods means purchased goods. Purchased goods on credit from Ridiga. Anjo.
Purchase account debited to Ridiga account.
Correct. Purchase account to Ridiga account. Next, cash sales. Cash sales. Anat. Cash sales. Cash sales, don't confuse. Cash sale means sold goods for cash.
Sales account debted to cash account.
Anat, you are studying more. That's why you are telling sales, income or expense.
Income.
So entry will be
So cash account debted to sales account.
correct. Cash account to sales account. Next, sold goods to Karishna on credit. Sold goods to Karishna. Jalandri. Atul. Sold goods to Karishma.
Sir, Karishma account debted to sales account.
Correct. Karishma account to sales account. Next, cash paid to Mansi. Cash paid to Mansi. Muhammad Irfan. Cash paid to Mansi. Cash paid to Mansi. Aparna, cash paid to Mansi.
Sir, Mansi account debted to cash account.
Correct. Mansi account to cash account. Next, goods returned to Ridiga. Goods returned to Ridiga. If any goods return is there, first you have to check whether any transaction, purchase or sale. Already we purchased goods from Ridiga. So entry will be Karthik. What is entry?
Sir, Ritika account debted to purchase return.
Correct. Ritika account to purchase return. Next, stationery purchased for cash. Stationery purchased for cash. Hanna.
Stationery account added to cash account.
Stationery account to cash. Very good. Next, paid wages. Femina. Paid wages. Paid wages. Paid wages. Femina. Paid wages.
Wages account to
Correct. Wages account to cash account. Next, goods returned by Karishma. Goods returned by Karishma. Then you have to look any transaction related to the Karishma. Okay, already we sold goods to Karishma. Anila, what is jewelry? Goods returned by Karishma.
Karishma account debtor to
So it is which return? Purchase return or sales return?
sale.
Sales return. So you tell
Sale.
sale is credit or debit? Sale.
Credit.
So sales return will be?
Sales account debtor to Karishma.
Yes, sales return account to Karishma. Next, check given to Ridiga. Shubham. Check given to Ridiga.
Ritika account debit to sales account.
Very good.
Bank account.
Jewelry. Because no sale, nothing is there.
Bank
Check.
account.
Yes, very good. Ritika account to
Bank account.
bank account. I think that you are making new entry. Okay. Check given to Ritika. Ritika account to bank account. Next, cash received from Karishma. Cash received from Karishma. Anjo. Cash received from Karishma.
Karishma account debited to
Cash received. So,
Cash account debit to
cash account debit. Okay. Cash account to Karishma. Next, insurance paid by check. Sure, don't tell. Insurance premium paid by check. Tomlin. Insurance premium paid by check.
Insurance account,
Correct. That too?
bank account,
Yes. Next, check received from Karishma. Check received from Karishma. Aditya. Check received is treated as cash received. Okay. If it is we received crossed check means in the bank account. Crossed means the name of the person only will encash the amount. Otherwise, it is treated as cash received. So what is jewelry?
Karishma account debtor to bank account.
Check received from Karishma.
Bank account debtor to
Bank if it is crossed check. Karthik, what is jewelry?
Cash account debtor to Karishma account.
Yes, cash account to Karishma. Okay, check received is treated as cash received. But if you given to bank, insurance account to bank, salary account to bank. But if it is received, it is treated as cash. Next, rent paid by check. Rent paid by check. Irfan, Muhammad Irfan. Rent paid by check. Irfan, tell. Rent paid by check. Shubham Pal. Henry? Rent paid by check.
rent account debit to bank.
Correct. Correct answer. Rent account to bank. Next, purchased goods on credit from Meena Traders. Purchased goods on credit from Meena Traders. Atul. Purchased goods on credit from Meena Traders.
Sir, purchase account
Correct.
debited to minor trading.
Yes, correct. Next, last 30, Anat, cash sales. You are thinking,
Sir, cash account debted to sales account.
yes, cash account to sales account. Okay, so that already you know. Next, we will do the next question. So you look at journalize the following transaction in the books of Sanjana. That we will do that ledger, then we will start the next chapter. So you look that compared to other question. So first question you look they given cash in hand, cash at bank, stock of goods, due to Rahul, due from Tarun. What is this? I think Shubhan can answer this question because you know everything now. Okay, so this is opening entry. Opening entry. This one. Okay, means every firm start its new book in the beginning of each year. Though in the beginning of each year, they will take new book. So we know that the closing balance of the last year will be the opening balance of this year. Okay, so at the first, what we have to do? We did balance ED. Closing balance ED, that we have to brought down, that we have to record at first in the beginning of each year. So as it is a first entry, it is known as opening entry. Okay, it is known as opening entry. Last year balance we are writing, this year opening we are writing first. At first we are writing that balance. So that's why it is known as opening entry. So if opening entry, one formula is there. If asset is more than the liability is equal to asset minus liability is equal to, means they won't give the capital. So we have to represent in the opening entry capital assets minus liabilities. So if you do the problem, then you will understand. Suppose if liability side is more than the assets, means the difference amount will be goodwill. Difference amount will be goodwill. I will show. So write the so we'll start first journal entries in the books of Sanjana, in the books of Sanjana. So if it is a closing balance, it is an opening entry, they will give assets and liabilities. So what is the rule? Asset you have to debit and liability you have to credit. So like that question, if it is coming, if any past journal entries also, it is opening entry. In first date, cash in and cash in bank, creditor, bills payable, like the items, if it is given, means that is opening entry. The difference amount will be either capital or normally capital in majority case, otherwise goodwill. That I will tell how to calculate. So in this case, you have to look whether it is asset or liability. If it is asset, we know that it is a debit balance. Asset debit, liability credit. Asset debit, liability credit. Okay, so 1st January 2015, First, they given cash in hand. Anat, whether it is asset or liability, cash in hand.
Asset.
Okay, so cash in hand account debit, asset debit. Amount will be 6,000. Next, cash at bank, Shubham, asset or liability? Shubham, asset or liability? Cash at bank.
Asset.
Yes. So cash at bank, debit, 55,000. Next, stock, Atul, asset or liability? Stock,
Sir,
stock,
sir, liability.
goods.
Sir, asset.
Okay. So stock or goods, goods account debit, goods account debit. Amount will be 6,000. No, 55, 40,000. It will be 40,000. Next, due to Rohan. Due to Rohan. Amount due to Rohan. Asset or liability? Karthik.
Sir, liability.
Correct. Due to Rohan, liability. Then due from Tarun. Due from
Asset.
asset. So due from Tarun. Due from Tarun, account debit to account debit amount 6,000 to due to Rohan, it is 10,000. Due to Rohan, 6,000. Due to Rohan. So here, which side is more? Asset is more, debit is more.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So difference amount will be capital. Difference amount will be capital. So capital will be to Sanjana's capital. Suppose if credit side is more, debit side you have to write goodwill. Balance figure. Here also balance figure only this one. That no need to write for your understanding. This is balance figure. Okay. 1,05,000. So narration being opening entry. That is enough. Being opening entry. Okay. Next, any doubts related with the opening entry? Asset debit, liability credit, and balance will be either capital or goodwill. Next, sold goods to Karuna. Sold goods to Karuna. Femina, what is the entry? Sold goods to Karuna. Sold goods to Karuna.
Karna account debit to sales account.
Okay, I now only I understood that your name is Femina. Okay, correct answer. Karuna account to Karuna account debit to sales account. Karuna account to sales account being credit sale. Being credit sale. Amount will be 15,000. 15,000. Okay, being credit sale. Karuna account to sales account. Next, cash sale. Shubham, you tell the answer. Now I am asking you. Cash sale.
Cash account debit to sales account.
Very good. So next, fourth, 4/1/2015, cash account debit to sales account. Cash account to sales account. Only short form you are right. Account on it right. Amount will be 10,000. Being cash sale. Being cash sale. Next, 6. Sold goods to goods sold to Hira. Hina. Sold goods to Hina. Anila. Sold goods to Hina.
Hina account debit to sales account.
Correct. Hina account to sales account. Hina account debit to sales account. Hina account to sales account being credit sale. Being credit sale. Narration is compulsory. Being credit sales to 5,000. Next, purchased goods from Rupali. Purchased goods from Rupali. Hanna, purchased goods from Rupali.
Purchase account debit to Rupani.
Correct. Purchase account debit to Rupali. Rupali account 30,000. 30,000 being credit purchase. Being credit purchase. Next, goods returned from Karuna. Goods returned from Karuna. 10. Aparna, goods returned from Karuna. The goods returned from Karuna.
It's a sales return account debtor to Karuna account.
Correct. Sales return account debit to Karuna. Karuna account being sales return. Being sales return 2,000. Next, cash received from Karuna. Cash received from Karuna. Shubham, Cash received from Karuna.
Cash account.
Correct. Cash account debit to Karuna account. Cash account to Karuna account being cash received from Karuna. Amount will be 13,000. Next, 15. Check given to Rohan. Check given to Rohan. Karthik. Check given to Rohan.
Rohan account debtor to bank account.
Correct. Rohan account debtor to bank account. Check paid to Rohan. Amount will be 6,000. Okay, Rohan account bank check paid to Rohan. Next, cash received from Hina, 16. Cash received from Hina. Atul, cash received from Hina.
Sir, cash account debtor to Hina account.
Yes, cash account debit to Hina account. Cash account to Hina account. 3,000. Next, 20. Check received from Tarun. Check received from Tarun. Check received from Tarun. Check received from Tarun. Aditya.
Bank account debtor to Tarun account.
That is only big problem. Check received. Aditya. Tell. Note bank.
Cash account.
Yes. Cash account debtor to Tarun. Check received from Tarun. Check received from Tarun, 10,000. Being next, 22, same. Check received from to note from to no need there. Hina. So same entry. Cash account debtor. Cash account debtor to Hina account. Hina account being cash received from Hina. Amount will be 2,000. 2,000 is 2,000. Cash account to Hina. Okay. Check received is treated as cash received. Next, cash given to Rupali. Cash given to Rupali. Muhammad Irfan. Cash given to Rupali. Rupali account debit to cash account. Rupali account to cash account 18,000. 18,000 being cash paid to Rupali. Okay. Next, paid cartage. Paid cartage. Femina. Paid cartage. Paid cartage. Goods carrying cost. Cartage. Cartage account debit to cash account. Being paid cartage. Amount will be 1,000. Next, 27 paid salary. Paid salary. Shubham, what is salary? Paid salary.
Salary account debit to cash account.
Yes, salary account debit to cash
Cash
account. Being paid salary. Being paid salary amount 8,000. Being paid salary. Next, cash sales. Cash sales. Anila, cash sale.
Cash account debtor to sale account.
Yes, cash account debtor to sales account. Being cash sale. Being cash sale. Amount will be 7,000. Next, check given to Rupali. Check given to Rupali. Aditya, check given to Rupali. Check given to Rupali.
Rupali account debit to cash account.
What? Check given. Shubham.
Rupali account debit to
To
bank account or
yes,
cash bank account.
to bank account. So amount will be 12,000. Being check given to Rupali. Next, Sanjana, because we are starting, we are preparing journal entries in the books of Sanjana, owner only. Took goods for personal use. Took goods for personal use. Anjo. Personal use.
Drawings account.
Drawings account to purchase account. Drawings account to purchase account. 4,000. Being drawings of goods. Last, paid general expense. Paid general expense. Shubham. Paid general expense.
Paid account debit to general
You are making new head. General expenses
account,
account debit to
cash account.
cash account. Good. Being paid general expenses. $500. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so next we will start ledger. So from first onwards we will start. So first you look that opening entries are given. First entry, opening entry means that will be the opening balance of each account. Means whenever you prepare cash in hand, cash at bank, stock of goods, Rohan, Tarun, then opening balance will be that amount. Means, example, first we will prepare cash in hand. First we will prepare cash in hand. Ledger we will prepare. Okay, so if you prepare, first item will be opening balance. Means it is asset will be debit. So opening balance will be in the debit side. If it is liability, opening balance will be in credit side. Clear? If it is asset, the opening balance will be in debit side. What we have to write? To last year by balance CD. Here to balance brought down BD, brought down that opening balance we have to write 6,000. Then whenever you are preparing next account to cash at bank, to balance BD 55,000. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubt related to that? So you have to first you have to prepare cash in hand. Then first you have to write opening balance because that is opening entry. Opening entry. Okay. So then we have to post other transaction. So we'll start. So you tell that second transaction any cash. Tell. So now time is over. So next period we will continue. Okay. So whenever we are preparing that opening entries account, first you have to write opening balance. That is the difference. Remaining other transaction you can same like other question. Okay. So I think that at 10 o'clock again we have class. So thank you. Have a nice day.